guys, welcome back to my channel. It's your favorite queen, the queen of modesty, coming at you live from Lagos, Nigeria. Today is Valentine's Day. Now I don't celebrate Valentine's Day because I don't know who on earth Valentine is. So to me it's just like 14th of February is like every other day, and I'm pretty sure I know that I'm not the only one who like has this mentality of like it's literally just 14th of February. What's the fuss about? Like, what's the hype? I don't get it. I know some of you guys would probably be like, well, God, it's because you're single, but nah, boo. Even if I was like, you know, in courtship or anything like that, it still wouldn't feel different. It's the 14th of February. Like, I don't know who is Valentine. I don't know who that is. So, I obviously was not born when the person was existing, so I don't know who that is. So it literally is just another day for me. But anyways, that is not why we're here today, guys. As the title of the video suggests, we are doing a Valentine's Day unboxing. Now, I'm sure you guys are probably like, but I thought you said, you know, you don't have a Valentine. I thought you said you're single. I thought you said you don't celebrate Valentine's. Well, today is called Valentine's Day according to society. And my package still happened to land, right? The word land still happened to come through like yesterday, which is the 13th, so I get to unbox it on Valentine's Day, which is the 14th. So see what I did there? Yeah. Anyways, guys, without further ado, let's get right into the video. So you know your girl loves a sale, right? Not like how many times I talk about how much I love the sales. So ASOS was doing a fantastic sale, and I was like, oh my gosh, I need to get this, and this. So there are two items in my wish list. Is it wish list they call it on ASOS? I think it's wish list or saved items. Yeah, in my saved items. And there were two shoes actually. One was a ballet flat, and the other one was a pair of like wedges. They were like 40 pounds. I was like, no, we're waiting for a sale. So they both went on sale, I think in January or December period. Like I think from December, like late December to like late January period. So I was just like, okay, let me purchase them and let me get my hands on them, because they were all like down, you know, to a sizable amount. And for me, I don't like to pay full price for things. Like if I can buy something at half a price or 3/4 of the price off, count me in. Okay, I like to save money. All right. And for me, like the reason why I actually love buying on sale is not necessarily because I cannot buy full price. It's just that sale gives you the opportunity to buy like 1,001 different things. Like instead of like probably maybe like you'd have spent like maybe like £100 for like maybe just like 4 items at £25 each, you can literally spend £100 for like 10 items at £10 each. Are you catching my drift? Yeah. So for me, like a sale is it. You get to buy more and you get to save your coins. So that's my own mentality. That's why I always literally wait for a sale. But I've been going on and on. Let's get into the video, shall we? So first off, let me see. I'll start off with what's this? Okay, so it's a chunky ribbed MIDI skirt. Yeah, I think it said it's in the recycled blend. I don't even know what blend they're talking about. But I saw this skirt and it was literally just £8.50. Are you kidding me? I was like, it was on sale for £8.50. I was like, yeah, definitely. I love a good skirt, and it's actually like off-white, kind of almost has like a pinkish tone to it. But yo, I think this skirt is going to be quite big for me because, honey, whose waist is this wide? I hope this skirt is my size, because I got it in a size 42. My hips are 43, so I usually get like a size 4. I don't get a 44 because that's not even a smart thing to do. I mean, now that I like, this is why it's not a smart thing to do. This waist looks bigger than me, so I'm probably going to have to take to the tailors. But this is a skirt, just like a simple ribbed. I probably will put pictures on the screen if you guys can really fully see it here, but it's just like a ribbed skirt. I love the elastic as well. It's going to cinch you in at the waist, and then it's just like a midi. Oh honey, this is not going to fit midi though. Anyway, it's from the petite section from ASOS. It says it's a midi skirt, but as I'm looking at it, I don't know if it will be midi on me. For some reason, I'm 5'1", and sometimes like when I look at things, I'm like, is this thing gonna be my size or is it not gonna be my size? Sometimes I think I'm taller than I actually am, so it will probably be my size. But yeah, it's just like a simple it's like a neated skirt actually. But I just looked at it, I was like, oh my gosh, I love it. I've been wanting to get my hands on something white ish, so I was like, hey, why not? And I actually got this skirt because of the jumper that I'm going to show you guys next. Now I told you guys I love jumpers, okay? My mom has ridiculed me and made fun of me and everything because we're in Nigeria. Nigeria, as you can even see, I'm already even sweating a little bit. Nigeria is a pretty hot country, but the heart wants, how they say it, the heart wants what it wants. Okay, I love jumpers. There's nothing you can do about it. There's nothing I can do about it. There's nothing anybody can do about it. There's nothing you're gonna say that's gonna make me not buy jumpers. You feel me? Because if you're going from like your air-conditioned car to your air-conditioned office to your air-conditioned restaurant, back to your air-conditioned car to your air-conditioned office, you know that train, I mean, you're not going to get hot that easily. So that's just like my mindset. Or if you can even go for like in the evening time when it's like a whole lot like cooler, the breeze is a little cool, you know what I mean? You're going to like a I don't know, just somewhere that just has a little breeze. These things are gonna come in handy, okay? And then there's like the Hamatan season in Nigeria, which is like really cold. I mean, there will be times I'm going to use them, but I love jumpers and I love knitwear, and there's just nothing anybody can do to like discourage me from getting them, regardless of how hot Nigeria is. Period. Anyways, guys, up next is the jumper I was talking about. So I got this jumper because I wanted it to be like, I wanted to like mimic a two-piece set. So this is the jumper and it's from MISSGUIDED. The skirt is actually from ASOS. I think I'll put pictures on screen so you guys can actually see it properly on the sales model. So this is the jumper. Okay, so cute. Okay, so it is cropped. I got it in the size medium large, specifically because I kind of want it to like hang down a little bit, you know, that effect. So I got it in the size medium large, which looks really large. So I have to see what this is gonna look like on, but I mean, you guys probably see, I'll take a picture of it at some point so you guys probably see what it looks like. But I'm just admiring my brown skin. I mean, girl, ooh, thank you Jesus for creating such a beauty. Y'all know, like, it wouldn't be a video if the goofy side of me does not come out. Like, there's no way I would make a video and I will not be playful. It's just, it can't happen. I'm a very playful person. I'm a very happy-go-lucky person. Like, there's just nothing that you can do like to take away my goofiness. It's just, it is what it is, you know. But anyways, guys, this is the jumper. So it's like a round neck, misguided jumper, long sleeves, you know, as you can see, long sleeves, round neck, cropped jumper, which I absolutely love. And I'm wearing a jumper as well from PETITE. I can't stand up because the jumper is a little bit on the risque side. Yay! There goes the siren. Yes, I think the electricity is back on. Okay, back to the video. Thank you very much. Now, but yeah, as I was saying, you guys, I'm wearing this jumper from PETITE. Now I cannot show you guys the whole thing because it's just not, I'm a Christian, okay? You can see the top, it's really cute. It's like a blush pink. Yeah, there goes. Blush pink, white and gray. Really cute jumper, which I love. It's also cropped as well. It's a tie front jumper. So yeah. Next item, guys, is this ribbed white, basic white ribbed top. Now I was like, in Nigeria, to get like a basic white ribbed shirt, it's really not going to be the easiest thing because like most of their shirts are like with graffiti all over it or like writings all over it. And the only like basic white you can probably get is a man's vest, and that's just about it. So I saw this top and it's like really cute. So I was like, well, I gotta have it. It's really, really pretty. I like it. So just, it's really, really basic, like a basic round neck, short sleeves, you know, the size 10. I'm looking at it and I'm like, yeah, I should be able to fit into it. I think, yeah, I should be able to fit into it. So it's stretchy, so that helps. But yes, it's just a simple round neck, short sleeve, basic white tee that I'm going to be wearing with a lot of things. So you guys should prepare yourselves to see this top. Like literally, my broken fan is always handy. Thank you. Yes. So anyways, so you guys should prepare yourself to see this top literally everywhere, because it's a basic white. Like y'all know, basic whites are like the go-to stuff, like the go-to's for every single fashion person, especially when you want to like layer your outfits, like put a blazer on top of it, put a duster on top of it, put a sleeveless jacket on top of it, put, you know, anything that you want to do, you know, like when it comes to layering, you need like your basic whites, your basic blacks, you know, in like a thin fabric. This is not necessarily thin, but it's not thick. It's just like basic. Literally, it is what it is, you know what I mean? So I will leave links to all these items down below, because I think they're still on sale and they're still on the website. So if you're interested in them, you can just go on ahead, guys. I'm just like admiring myself today, because I think I always do that all the time. You know what, back to the video, because sometimes I get carried away by my God-given blessed beauty, that I'm just like, oh my gosh, girl, you are so pretty. Okay guys, seriously, back to the video. So next item I'm going to show you guys is the ballet flats. Now they just came like this, and I don't think they need to be put in any like serious box, because obviously these are, I mean, they're just flats, you know, so no need to like waste like a whole big box like putting them in there and everything. So these are there. Now I saw this flats on the website for very long, for quite a while. I was waiting for it to go on sale. It wasn't expensive, but like I told you guys, like I know they're gonna go on sale. So like, why am I buying full price when I know it's gonna go on sale? So these are the oh cute. These are the shoes. They're so cute, and they are lace up. Y'all know what? You guys know I love lace up shoes. Like, you know, I love my lace ups. I love this silver thingy that they put at the edge of the lace. You call it that? But yeah. Oh, it's so cute. I can't wait to rock these, guys. They're so beautiful. They mimic suede. I don't think these are real suede, but they have this like suede. They mimic suede. And like I told you guys in my other video, I love the look of suede and patent leather, satin, you know, glitter, like, you know, those types of like textures on shoes. Like I really love them, because they really give the shoe like this expensive, sophisticated look. So I love these, guys. Who cannot wait to wear them? Yes, baby. Oh gosh, guys, I play way too much. Okay, next. Okay, I got them in a size 4, by the way. This is a size 4, I guess. Let me check. Yeah. These are a size 4, because that's my size, and I have really cute little feet, so is what it is, guys. Okay, so next, last but not the least, guys, are these what do you call it? They're these what are they called, really? They're wedges, actually. So I think I'll put a picture on the screen so you guys can actually see it in full glory in quotes. But yes, guys, so technically I was actually shocked it came in this box. Like, guys, look at this box. Okay, let me close it for you guys to see. See this box, guys. I mean, who would have thought they put wedges in a horizontal box? I was thinking it was gonna come like a square box or something, but I was like, wait, huh? Okay. So anyways, guys, I don't know when they started using this black nylon thing, but okay. But yes, guys, these are the ooh. Now I got these wedges because basically They were very strappy. As you guys can see, this is the toe area. Super strappy. It has like 3 straps up here. It has a longer strap, which you guys are probably going to see like the full. Ooh, this shoes is so pretty. And it's kind of like a square toe, which is really good, because like I told you guys, as I told you guys in one of my videos actually, a square toe shoes, they kind of fit any type of leg. So if you have like wide feet, if you have like, I don't know, if your feet are wide, like you definitely need like square toed shoes, just so that your feet can actually look like really nice and really pretty. Today guys, it's really hot. It's a very hot, dry day. You know those days like when it's like hot and really dry? And you guys know in Nigeria, electricity is not like 24/7. No, not. So you have to make do with what you got. So basically, anyways, long story short, these shoes are really cute. I love the texture. It's kind of like cloth like, but you guys will see like pictures on screen of the models on them. It is also lace off. So you guys, I love lace off. Lace off shoes are just like they just have this really sexy like look to them without even trying too much. And they also have that like silver stuff. So guys, these are all the items that I got. I have my eyes on a few new items already. You guys know, like, girl, I love fashion. Fashion is like, fashion is important to me, you feel me? I love every single item that I got, even though my mom mocks me for my knitwear, but I just love knitwear. There's nothing I can do about it. Like, there's nothing I can do about it, Mom. There's just nothing. Anyways, guys, thank you for watching this video. Give it a thumbs up, subscribe to my channel, people. And I will see you guys in my next video. Make sure you leave a comment, and yeah, talk to me in the comment section down below. Okay guys, see you guys in my next video. Love you guys. Mwah. Bye.